really rough day. It was a really rough day. It's a really rough shift. I don't know. I just feel like there's only so much anyone can take. I'm tired of walking into rooms and your patient's dead. You just walk into a room and there's a dead body there. I'm tired of calling families and telling them that news. I feel so much sadness for my fellow nurses, and sisters, and brothers that have lost their life taking care of people. I feel bad for the patients who aren't living, especially the ones that are hanging on by a thread.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and a vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dream I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a hay street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by a flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share, and no one there disturbed the sound of silence. Who said you do not know? Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words, like silent raindrops, fell and echoed in wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and a silence silent.